So last night was a little brutal with that 7-pot yellow, but now it's time to do a rainforest review. Very exciting, one of my favorites. So going down the aisle, there's some smaller ones here. I don't save seeds out of smaller peppers. I like to do seed selection. Very beautiful plant. They always kind of look like a pufferfish or something like that. You could identify them that way. So, got a smaller one here. Very beautiful. Take my seat in my third office. I like to sit out here and do social media. This is the rainforest. Crunchy, sweet, fruit punch flavor, very fruity flavor, sweet, fruity flavor. Heat is less than a jalapeno. It takes a few seconds to kick in. It's kicked in. I could eat like 30, 40 of these. It's like a snack pepper for me. Non-chili head, it would be considered semi-hot. For me, it tastes mild. But I love rainforest peppers. They're fantastic. Buy up. Shipping should start after the second week. I'm just waiting for production, waiting for subcontractors, everything else. So, rainforest.